buy Bitcoin on OKX app. So in order to buy Bitcoin on OKX app, you have to follow the simple steps. So first of all, you have to go and log in into your account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and make sure that your account is already verified. So next thing, what you have to do is press the icon from the top right hand side, left hand side corner. When you actually press on the icon, it's going to show you this sort of field. So here, what next you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on deposit. First of all, since you have to deposit crypto, only then you'll be able to buy. Next, when you're done depositing the crypto, then you need to go ahead and press the trade button, and then you need to go ahead and initiate the transaction, such as you need to go ahead and press the buy button, enter the asset that you wish to buy, enter the exact amount, all of that, and you should be able to buy crypto or Bitcoin on your OKX wallet app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.